In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play parkour on Hypixel. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Parkour is available in many ways in any lobby that you join on Hypixel. So all that you have to do is go over to any lobby, and once you are in any lobby on Hypixel, type /parkour on chat. You will then get all the commands. As you can see, you have start, which is the one to actually start doing the parkour. You have reset, which basically restarts your progress, checkpoint, and then cancel, which takes you out of the parkour mode. Let's put it like that. So all that you have to do to start is /parkour space start. Immediately upon typing this, you will be teleported over to the parkour challenge of the specific lobby that you are in. So as you can see, I'm in the Bed Wars lobby. And like I said, each lobby has its own parkour challenge. All that you have to do now is start parkouring. Keep in mind that I'm not the best, so I won't be able to get to the end, but as you can see, it works. If you ever fall down to the void, just right-click this pressure plate, and it's going to teleport you back to the last checkpoint that you had. And you can go ahead and parkour as much as you wish. You can invite your friends, and all of you will be able to do the course together. Now, after I'm done with this last jump here, I'm gonna demonstrate the other lobbies. So, like I've said multiple times, each lobby has their own parkour challenge. So if you ever get bored or you complete a certain challenge, just switch over to another one. So as you can see, they extend over and over all the way through these islands here. I'm gonna go back to the checkpoint because I'm done just showcasing this one, and I'm gonna /parkour cancel. Now it's done and we are back to the usual lobby options. If we go ahead and switch, for example, we go over to the main lobby, we can do the same thing. So parkour start, and we have another parkour course to do. It is extremely simple, extremely fun, and you can do it at any time, at any rank, with as many people as you wish. All of them just have to do parkour start, and all of you will be able to go through together. I hope I was able to help you on how to parkour on Hypixel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.